Our planet is alive. Beneath its calm surface, forces are constantly shifting, moving, and changing. Sometimes these forces remind us of their power in ways we can never forget. Throughout history, natural disasters have shaped landscapes, rewritten history, and changed millions of lives in just moments. In this video, we count down the top 10 natural disasters of all time, not just by their destruction, but by their lasting impact on humanity and the Earth itself. At number 10 is the Haiti earthquake of 2010, one of the deadliest earthquakes of the 21st century. At 4:53 p.m. local time, the ground beneath Port-au-Prince suddenly shook violently. In just 35 seconds, entire neighborhoods collapsed. Haiti's weak infrastructure turned a natural disaster into a human tragedy. Hospitals, schools, and homes crumbled like sandcastles. Roads were blocked. Emergency services were overwhelmed. Nearly 230,000 people lost their lives, and 1.5 million were left homeless. Even a decade later, Haiti continues to rebuild. Number 9. Krakatoa, 1883. In the Sunda Strait between Java and Sumatra lay a volcanic island. For months, Krakatoa rumbled. Then, on August 27th, it exploded with unimaginable force. The sound was so loud, it was heard 3,000 kilometers away, louder than any sound ever recorded. The eruption triggered tsunamis over 40 meters high, destroying coastal towns and killing more than 36,000 people. Ash rose 80 kilometers into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight, cooling the earth, and creating brilliant red sunsets around the world for months. The eruption literally changed the climate. Number 8. The Bola cyclone. Late at night, a powerful tropical cyclone made landfall on the coast of East Pakistan. With winds up to 185 km/h and a storm surge of 10 meters, the cyclone wiped out entire villages in minutes. Poor communication systems and lack of warnings meant most people never saw it coming. It remains the deadliest tropical cyclone in recorded history, claiming between 300,000 and 500,000 lives. This disaster even influenced politics, contributing to the Bangladesh Liberation War. Number 7. The Indian Ocean tsunami. The day after Christmas, a massive magnitude 9.1 earthquake struck off the coast of Sumatra, Indonesia. The seafloor lifted, displacing billions of tons of water. Within minutes, a towering wall of water raced across the Indian Ocean, smashing into Indonesia, Thailand, Sri Lanka, India, and beyond. Entire towns disappeared. People were caught completely off guard. In total, over 230,000 people died, and millions were left without homes. The event led to the creation of international tsunami warning systems, forever changing coastal preparedness. At number 6. The 1931 China floods. After months of heavy snow followed by torrential summer rains, the mighty Yangtze, Huai, and Yellow rivers overflowed their banks. Cities, villages, and farms were submerged for months. Crops failed. Waterborne diseases spread rapidly. The flood is estimated to have killed between 1 million and 4 million people, making it the deadliest natural disaster of the 20th century. This event reshaped river management in China and remains a reminder of nature's raw power. Number 5. Mount Tambora, 1815. In April 1815, Mount Tambora erupted with the most powerful volcanic explosion ever recorded. The eruption was 10 times more powerful than Krakatoa. It released so much ash that it blocked sunlight around the world, causing a year without a summer in 1816. Crops failed in Europe and North America, leading to famine. Skies turned dark, temperatures dropped, and snow fell in June. The eruption killed around 71,000 people, and its global effects lasted for years. Number 4. The Shaanxi earthquake of 1556. Early morning, January 23rd, a massive earthquake struck Shaanxi province in China. The region's population lived in loess caves, soft soil caves carved into hillsides. When the ground shook, these caves collapsed instantly. Entire towns disappeared. Over 830,000 people died, making this the deadliest earthquake in recorded history. This disaster changed housing styles in the region for centuries. At number 3, the Yellow River flood of 1887. Heavy rains caused the Yellow River to swell and break through its levees. Floodwaters spread across 50,000 square miles, drowning villages and farmland. The disaster led to between 900,000 and 2 million deaths from drowning, disease, and starvation. It remains one of the most catastrophic floods in human history. Number 2. The Tangshan earthquake. At 3:42 a.m., a magnitude 7.5 earthquake struck the industrial city of Tangshan, China. In just 15 seconds, the city was reduced to rubble. Buildings pancaked, roads split. Over 242,000 people died, and nearly everyone in the city was affected. This was the deadliest earthquake of the 20th century and led to major changes in China's disaster preparedness. And finally, number 1, the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami. This disaster combined the raw power of a massive earthquake with the deadly reach of the ocean. It affected 14 countries, killed over 230,000 people, and displaced millions. It was a global wake-up call, showing how connected the world is when nature strikes. Earthquakes, tsunamis, eruptions, floods, and storms. Natural disasters remind us of nature's incredible power. But they also reveal human courage, resilience, and unity. Every disaster teaches us something about preparedness, respect for nature, and the power of coming together. Which of these disasters shocked you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful stories from our planet.